Hello, this is KRWBIN and welcome to KRWBIN. This video will showcase some of the items that we have available on our website at www.krwbin.com. We do have a variety of items for your spring break vacation and your summer vacation, such as these rhinestone flat irons that come in various colors on our website, including this blue. We also have purple and pink and other colors too. We have a wide selection of tank tops available if you want to show off the shoulders this spring and summer. And don't forget, t-shirts are always comfortable, cute, and fabulous. These compact mirrors come with a free set of faux eyelashes. Once again, we are showing the fabulosity. Look at these puzzles. The color, the vibrancy of these travel puzzles. If you're stuck in the airport or in a waiting line or in a restaurant. And don't forget your denim. We have our denim in tees and shorts and short sleeves and skirts and long leggings and short shorts. We have our denim hats available. Just a wide variety of items. Shop KRWBIN.com.